What's up, guys? So, you guys already know me from LinkedIn, and today I wanted to make a video basically just talking to you guys. But I wanted to talk about a pretty specific topic, and it is about AI. But it is not just about AI. It is about the costs, the price that you need to pay in order to run an AI model. So I don't want to talk about running any models locally. I want to talk about the big stuff like ChatGPT, OpenAI, Cloud, and these other AI agents. So what I've been seeing in the couple last months is that basically the cost to run this whole technology is too high right now, and they need to stop thinking about how to improve the hardware and trying to improve the technology itself, because it is just not gonna be sustainable in the long term. That's what I think, because the more the technology gets better and better, it requires more hardware, but it is just this is not a good thing. I mean, having better models is a good thing, but needing more hardware is not a good thing at all, because as we all know, it has a lot of environmental issues, because the data centers don't run by itself. They need energy, they need water, they need all kinds of stuff, and this investment is not paying off right now. So I think that they need to start thinking. I bet they are already thinking a lot about improving the technology itself, and not just getting more hardware, throwing more hardware, because it is not good for everyone. Because when you when this technology that everyone is using depends that much on hardware, the market, everyone loses, because us normal people, the average Joe, we can afford to actually, if we want to run a model locally, we can't afford to do that because it is too expensive. We can afford to buy a new memory, a new home memory, because it's too expensive. We can actually buy new pieces of hardware for our computers, for our personal computers, because the demand is too high for data centers right now. So I think that they need to start thinking about improve the technology in order for it to require less hardware. So if they have a better technology, better algorithms, they will be able to actually use less hardware. This is actually just an opinion from someone who doesn't know much about AI algorithm and the actual internals behind it. So I might be pretty wrong. There's no way to improve the technology in order for it to require less hardware, but it is just my opinion, and I wanted to know, what do you think about that? Do you think that in the long term this is going to work, or they will need to do a pretty major jump from in the technology area? So they will need to step up in the technology field, or basically just scaling vertically is just going to work forever? So I wanted to know your opinion on that topic.